it's been a while, or at least a couple of episodes, where I haven't said that we're going to be ending this trip with an epic adventure. And this is something that I've done a few times before with my friends years ago, but definitely not in Thailand and definitely not on a vacation. So strap on in because it's going to be a good one. All right, so for today's activity, we are going skydiving here at Thai Sky Adventures. We actually drove about 25-30 minutes outside of Pattaya. I thought we were going to be doing it like maybe on a nearby beach, but apparently not. Anyway, this is something that I did many years ago, probably about a decade ago, and didn't even get a video out of it because I was young and broke. Actually, I did get one video the first time I did it, but the quality was really poor. So hopefully this time we do it justice. So let's get going. I was paired up with George, who ran through the basic instructions, and we were ready to go.
You'll feel this. Then you can open up your arms, let go, get into this position.
You happy? I'm super happy. Yes. Perfect day outside. Get to end my trip skydiving. What better way to end the trip, right?
Okay, let's go.
You coming with us? You coming with us? Exhilarating. I mean, what a way to end the trip. Seeing Pattaya in the distance and all of this beautiful landscape. And as you're gliding there in awe of all this beautiful landscape, all of a sudden you're just like awakened by like a sudden yank of the cord. Which is, of course, not the most comfortable feeling as your balls go into your throat, but what a perfect day out. George even let me control the chute, which was really cool.
Welcome back!
Yeah! Perfect landing, I would say. Yeah. Great activity to end the trip on, and now I head back to Bangkok to hang with Joey for a couple of days, and that's it. The trip's done. We go back to New York. I even got myself a little souvenir for today's participation. Oh my God, what a face. I look like the Joker. And yes, I realize I look absolutely ridiculous in that helmet.